To name a watch that is the Ferrari amongst watches, the Hublot La Ferrari or the Omega Speedmaster Michael Schumacher may no longer be the first watches that come to mind. With the rebirth of the famous Monza, Heuer proved to be the go-to watch brand for any car racing enthusiast. The curves of this watch are reminiscent to the design of a luxury sports car. Not only does the shape of the case fulfill aesthetic purposes, but it actually makes the watch sit on the wrist very nicely. As you would expect from a racing watch, the Monza is equipped with a chronograph function and offers perfect legibility. The 42mm case made of titanium is light and yet robust and durable. This watch is the perfect companion for any racing enthusiast.